The recording has stopped. This meeting is being recorded.
Hi, good morning, grade 8 mathematics.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Marian.
What do you think is our lesson for today? Yes, Tiffany?
I think it's about trinomials.
Yes, you're right. Our lesson for today is trinomials or factoring general trinomials. And we're gonna tackle about general quadratic trinomials. So first, what is a trinomial? Yes, Ayesha?
It is an algebraic expression consisting of three terms.
Thank you, Ayesha. How about general quadratic trinomial? Yes, Tiffany?
A general quadratic trinomial is a trinomial of the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are real numbers. They are called general quadratic trinomials because they are quadratic expressions that are in general or in standard form.
Very good, Tiffany. Aside from trinomials, we will also gonna tackle about factoring. Factoring completely is the process of factoring a number until no other factors can be found. Firstly, is factoring general quadratic trinomial. In general quadratic trinomial, there are plenty of ways on how to solve. Let's talk first about the common way. The first step in factoring a trinomial is determine the last and middle term. This term will help us solving. Next, find the factors of the last term that will add up to the middle term and replace the middle term, the factors and Oh, Teka. Whew. Ulitin ko dito sa first step. The first step in factoring a trinomial is determine the last and the middle term. This term will help us in solving. Next, find the factors of the last term that will add up to the middle term and replace the middle term with factors and factor it by grouping. Have you remember about the factoring by grouping?
Yes, teacher. It is factoring each separate group, then combine like terms. This is called factoring by grouping.
Yes, that's right. But let's discuss furthermore to help you to better understand the topic. I have here x squared plus 13x plus 40. So first find the last and middle term. The last term is 40 and the second step and the middle term is 13. The second step is to find the factors of 40 that will add up to our numerical coefficient, which is 13. What do you think is the factor of 40 that will add up to 13? Yes, Tiffany?
I think that is 5 and 8.
Excellent. Our factors is 5 and 8. The next step is to replace the middle term with the factors. So our given will be x squared plus 5x plus 8 8x plus 40. So we replaced the 13 with the factors and we copied the variable of 13. Our next step is factoring. The factoring method that we use is factoring by grouping. So first, let's separate the term in parentheses. Our given will be x squared plus open parenthesis x squared plus 5x close parenthesis plus open parenthesis 8x plus 40 close parenthesis. Next is factoring by GCF or the greatest common factor. So let's first solve the first group which is x squared plus 5x. What is the common factor in this binomial?
The common factor is x.
Great job! So our common factor is x. Our common factor will be outside the parentheses. The next way to factor the common factor will be terms with with the term x divided by x squared is x. So write the given and write the addition sign. It will look like this. Next x factored by 5x is 5. So write the terms like this. Now let's factor the second group. What is the factor of 8x plus 40? Yes, Tiffany?
It's 8.
Yes, the common factor is 8. So like what we did on the first group, we will also factor the given. So 8 divided by 8x is 8 and 8 divided by 40 is 5. So our given will be 8 open parenthesis x plus 5 close parenthesis. Lastly, combine the common terms. Our final answer will be open parenthesis x plus 5 close parenthesis open parenthesis x plus 8 close parenthesis. Because we copied the terms in the parentheses and we combined the terms outside the parentheses. Did you get it right, class?
Yes.
Very good, class. There is also a very easy way on how to do it. First, create a parenthesis. Then write the variable inside the parentheses, then copy the sign. Like this. Then determine the factors that will add up to the middle term in our first example. The factors are 5 and 8, so we will put these factors inside the parentheses. The answers are same as the first solving. Did you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
So let's give another example. Our next given is x squared plus 5x plus 6. So how we will solve this using the second way of solving? Yes, Tiffany?
First, create a parenthesis and copy the variable and the sign. And then determine the factors of 6 that will add up to 5, which is 3 and 2. Then put the factors inside the parenthesis and like this. X open parenthesis x plus 3 multiplied by open parenthesis x plus 2 close parenthesis.
Excellent, Tiffany. Our answer is open parenthesis x plus 3 close parenthesis open parenthesis x plus 2. If we also solve this using the longer method, we can also use this using the longer method. Do you understand our lesson for today? Do you have any questions?
Teacher.
Okay, so let's proceed with the problem solving. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so let's proceed. Drinso has a friend. Her friend, who is upcoming grade 8 student, asks for help about math because she is doing an advanced reading. The example is x squared plus 9x plus 8. What is the final answer? Can you please enumerate the steps, Ayesha?
Okay, thank you. First, find the factors of 8 that will add up to 9. That is 8 and 1. Then rewrite the given, and that will be x squared plus 8x plus 1x plus 8. Then factor it. The answer will be x, open parentheses, x plus 8, close parentheses, plus 1, open parentheses, x plus 8, close parentheses. So the final answer is open parenthesis x plus 8 close parenthesis multiplied by open parenthesis x plus 1 close parenthesis. It is the same answer when we did in the shorter method.
Yes, very good, Ayesha. Your answer is correct. Do you have any questions regarding our topic?
None so far po.
Okay, thank you very much, class. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye po.
Goodbye.